morning routine. Wow. Exercise. Nakakawala talaga ng stress pag ganito yung nakikita mo. Nature is everything. Stress relief. Ta-da-da-da. With my feet on fire, there's my one desire. Make my life give you only play. So the world can't you see there's a fire in me. Make my life give you on. Faith by faith, faith on fire. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Wow, white roses. Ang ganda talaga. Alam niyo yung bulaklak dito parang ordinary lang. Kaya na-amaze ako sa mga tanawin. Ganda, ang daming rose. May pink. May parang purple ba yan? Or maroon. Yan. Then may red rose. Dami ng red rose dito. And then may red rose pa, white rose doon. Mas may tangerine pa sila. Tangerine. Tangerine is everything. Dami bunga ng tangerine nila. Ayan. I-zoom natin. Ay, hindi pala ma-zoom. Ayan, dami bunga yan. So, let's go back to our exercise. Hello my everything. Let's go. Mag-jogging na tayo. Jogging, jogging, jogging. Saan ka? Off ko lang. Bye! Thank you!